Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. Okay, today's session, for Friday session, I will explain about the introduction of augmented reality. So we can build the simplest one, the simple augmented reality application. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so what is augmented reality? Augmented reality is it's create the whole artificial environment to replace real with a virtual one. So it's very different with VR, which is VR we into the virtual reality 100%. But for AR, so we can see the whole the environment of our world, but we can also see the graphic, the 3D object from our AR. So AR apps typically connect digital animation to a special marker. So which is the marker that we will use is image based. So there's a lot of marker which I will explain later. Marker based, we have GPS based, we have superimpose, we have projection based. So okay, so this is the example for, okay, you can see this uh, when we scan the dollar sign, so it will pop up the White House. So that is marker based, which is we scan into the picture, so the apps will detect the picture as a marker of augmented reality, and then it will pop up the pop up the 3D object. So marker based, uh, picture, just a picture, and then we will upload the picture to the Vuforia. We will do it later. This is marker base. This is markerless, which is we can use a GPS, a compass, or gyroscope. uh, if you ever play a Pokemon Go, which is the viral game used to be, uh, when we come to certain places, and then the Pokemon will pop up, and then we can see the Pokemon around. So for example, we walk into the mosque, and then there's a Pokemon there, and then when we want to catch the Pokemon, and then the Pokemon will pop up uh, around the area of the mosque. So that's markerless, which is use of GPS. So the 3D object will appear only on the only on the coordinate that used to it. So this is markerless, so we can scan. So there's many function of the markerless, so we can use as a tutorial, as a training to the workers, to the factory workers. So this is projection based, so we scan at the shoes, and then we can see the styling of the shoes changing. Okay, so this is superimposition, which is replace the original view with an augmented. So original view totally replaced with the with is a fully or partially. So for example, at IKEA apps, so we want to buy a chair, and then we can drag the chair anywhere we want to. Allow user to place a virtual item of their furniture catalog in their room. Okay, so Vuforia, I think uh, I don't need to explain why it's Vuforia. I think you know, we have already create a account for Vuforia. Okay, so let's go. We build the AR apps. Okay, so from the previous class, which is Kak Atira classes, so she have taught you about the button, the scene, the text. So in the class, I will teach about doing the AR element. Okay, first step. Okay, you know this is the main menu scene, and then this is we have the window, and I hope you all install the Unity version 2019, not 2020, because 2020 I think the Vuforia element doesn't have in this package manager. Okay, so okay, so window, and then go to the package manager, and then you scroll down, or you refresh there below this, and then you will see Vuforia engine AR. So click and then install. So just installing, wait a few moments. So what is do is we take a Vuforia development kit into Unity, and then so that Unity can read what is Vuforia doing to the Unity. So basically Unity right now, Unity doesn't know what is Vuforia is. When you install this Vuforia, and then he will know when we upload the marker, and then upload this to the Unity. Okay, so wait until the installation is done. Okay, so wait a minute. Tunggu sebentar. Okay, so it's done. So when you install it, after you install it, you can see the button tick this tick. So it means that you have already installed the Vuforia engine AR. Congratulations. And then, so in this scene, we doesn't have to use this scene, so we must create the new scene for AR, particularly for AR. So create a scene, and then rename it as you want, AR, for example. Okay, so what we have to do is, when we click this let's go button, and then it will go to the AR page. So click AR, let's say first, and then it will bring to this element, and then we setting. So when we want to build an AR environment, we doesn't have to use main camera. Okay, so delete the main camera, and then right click. You will see Vuforia engine here. So after we install the Vuforia engine at the package manager, so click AR camera. So you will see this AR camera right in front of the scene, and then after AR camera, right click again, Vuforia engine, click what we call image. This is image target. Okay, so this is the default what we call default picture Vuforia. So we will change the picture of this astronaut to our picture that we will upload to the Vuforia. So basically this is the when we scan this picture, and then the 3D object will pop up. Okay, so after we done this, okay, and right now this game doesn't have anything, because this is the AR environment, which is our environment. So basically what I want to do is this is optional. When you want to, when we click the let's go button, and then it will proceed you to this scene. And then what we have to do is, what if we want to go back to the other scene? So we must have a back button. So create a canvas, so which is this canvas. Okay, you see this canvas, and then add a back button. Add this. So just follow my step. Okay. Back button. So we have the back button. So when we add AR scene and then we want to go back to the main menu scene, we click the back button. So this is optional. So if you want to follow. Okay. Okay, after that, we have already done the add the Unity part, and then we will go to the Vuforia part. Okay, let's go. So just search Vuforia developer. Okay, just register your account if you're not already registered. Okay, first get the development key. Okay, I will explain. License manager and target manager. So this is two different things. Okay, first add the license manager. Get the development key, click, and then license name. So you can put anything you want. So for example, Augmented Reality SK apa nama kelas ni? But Augmented Reality, okay. And then click. Okay, and then confirm. So this Augmented Reality, click. Alright. So okay, at these pages you will see this key. What I want you to do is copy this key. Okay, copy it to clipboard, and then going back to the Unity, add the image target. Oh, sorry, not this image. This is the canvas image. The image target. You will see. Oh no, sorry. AR camera. So open Vuforia engine configuration. You will see this app license key. So paste your app license key to this. Okay. After you already done, going back to the Vuforia site, go to target manager. So this target manager is what we will use to upload our photo, our picture, to act as a marker of our apps. So add database, choose for example square. Okay, square device. Okay, database. Okay, so just a reminder, do not have space. So if you want to space, just underscore or okay. Satu correct. Okay. Okay, square. Satu correct tadi. Okay, correct. So square, click. Okay, add target. So for me, sorry, dekat desktop. Okay, add the desktop. So for me, this is my picture. So I will explain to you my picture. Oh, sorry, bersepah sikit. Okay, I will use this as my what we call marker. So why I choose this? Okay, so and I will choose this also as my marker. Okay, so I will explain what is different between two things. Okay, browse, go to my desktop, your desktop. Okay, mana? Okay, square and okay, open. Width, just add 1. Okay, pile of wood. Say I add another one, which is the square. So if you can see at this, okay, this is the first marker, which is pile of wood, and then it show at the rating is 5. So why 5? Because the okay, I will explain. Okay, click at the picture, and then you can see the show features. So this is how many features that it detects. So you can see many. So the more complex the picture is, the higher rating it will be. So for square, so it show that rating 0 because it's too simple. Let's show features. Ada satu, only have 1 and 2. So the conclusion is, you pick the complex picture, you create the complex picture, and it will give you the rating of 5. Okay, so what does the rating do when we create our apps? So the rating do is, when we have 5 ratings, the faster it will pop up on your application. So if the 0 rating, possibly nothing will pop up. Okay, so if you have 1 or 2, it's difficult to pop up. Okay, so I will delete this square. So just optional, just you rename your file. Sorry, I forgot to tell you, rename your file to your based on your marker. So this is too long. Pile of wood royalty free image. Okay, so download all. If you have many, just click all and then download database. So at this, you will choose the Unity editor and then download. So just this, after we have done downloading, just click and then it will open at the our Unity and then import. Okay, so after done you importing, so a database, oh sorry, so after you have done downloading the database, so at the image target, you will see the image target behavior script, and then you see this square, our database. So this is pile of wood royalty free image blah blah blah. And then when we click at the image target, it will change to the wood that I uploaded at the Vuforia. So after this is okay, the 3D object. So what's when we scan the 3D when we scan the marker, it will pop up the 3D. So I will transfer the 3D to the okay. Oh, sorry. So this is sorry, simple one, square. Just I made at the blender, not made default default object. So what I want you to do is upload your own 3D object to the marker. So at the image target, just click this below the image target, and then you shrink so that is perfectly positioned at top of the cube, right? So okay, tune. Okay, voila. Alright, so we have done this. So when we scan our marker, so okay, jap, saya akan tunjukkan. Boleh tak saya play So sekejap. Cepat. Okay, saya play jap. Okay, tak nampak, tak apa. Tak boleh sebab saya tengah record sekali. Okay, tak apa. So okay, I will show to you later. Okay, wait a moment Okay, I will stop the recording. So after that, I will sambung balik. So guys, sorry, I cannot record the AR one at the desktop. So I will play at the phone. So click play. And then this is my camera, okay, webcam, good. Okay, then pile of wood. This is my marker, and then when we scan the pile of marker, so the 3D object, what your 3D object will appear. So if you have chair, if you have horse, so that's it. Okay, so okay, after you done that, okay, after you done your 3D object marker, okay, so that's all. So for upload, okay, so only that. So I will let this open Vuforia, just paste your apps license key, and then at the image target, go to the image target behavior, and then you choose your database, as simple as that. And then you just place your 3D object on top of the marker, and then after you scan the marker, and then it will pop up. Okay, so I will teach you about how to change the scene between another. So set, so create folder baru, new folder, which is script. Okay, so create a C# script, which is scene transition. Okay, whatever you want. So open it. So what we want to do is when we click the back, it will go to the left, go to the first scene, which is main menu, and then we click let's go. It goes to the AR menu, AR scene, sorry. Okay, sorry. So there's a two way sebenarnya. So first, using scene management, which is the newest one. Let me write it. Right. So the first one is I think you Kak Tira already taught you. So public voids to something, which is to AR. To AR, okay. And then application dot load level, and then the name. Is that true? Load level to AR, which is the AR. Our scene name at the this name AR, right? So we create another one to what? To main menu. Then change this also to main menu. So I don't really like this way. So there's this one way, which is public void load next scene. Okay, and then you declare name. You declare the string name, string scene name, right? So scene manager, this is the, I think the application dot load level is the old one, and then the scene manager is the newest. Load scene, and then use this, we have declared the scene name, right? So what the difference between these things is, this is a singleton, which is only for one variable. So when we click to the name, and then this is, we can use as many as we want. So I will explain at the Unity. Okay, save, Control S. Don't forget to click the semicolon, guys. So boleh buat paneng. Okay, so button, drag. Okay, let me see. Tak ada lagi, tak save. Okay, save dulu. So okay guys, this is the code. So I will explain the difference between this thing, okay, to AR, to main menu, and to the string scene name. So okay, so the back, so we drag the scene to this button. So after we drag this to this button, and then at the button inspector we will see the scene transition script, and then drag the button to the on click. Apabila kita tekan on click, apabila kita tekan back ni, when we click this back button, and then what will happen? Scene transition to main menu. So scene transition to main menu, it will this to main menu. So and then the other one is scene transition load next scene strings. So we will load next scene string is this one, public void this. Okay, so just add your one name, so to the main menu scene, which is this scene. So I really like this because it only use only one, like four lines. So if you have many scene, to AR, to main menu, to option, to setting, so you have to write all of this. So it will have all to down here. So just use this, and then we will use only one code. Okay, so that's it. When we click this, then we press back, so we go to this. So kita tak buat lagi dekat let's go, so let's go buat. So same to do. The script you can just change to the main menu, and then at canvas, at the button, drag down your scene transition to the button. So the button at the expander, we will see this scene transition. Then drag the button on click, which have the scene transition to load next scene to AR. Alright.